Erdene Resource Development Corporation discovered the Bayan Kundi gold deposit in 2015 and is advancing toward construction targeting first gold in 2023. Bayan Kundi is a high-grade, open-pit project with pit-constrained reserves of 409,000 ounces, grading 3.7 grams per ton gold. That puts it in the top decile for global open-pit projects. The open pit will be developed in stages over 7 years. Initially, topsoil of the mine area will be stockpiled for future environmental reclamation, while an integrated waste facility, or IWF, which will be the first of its kind in Mongolia, will mix coarse mine waste rock and processed fine dry cake tailings. Subgrade material is currently treated as waste, but it is designed to be stockpiled separately from other waste within the integrated waste facility nearby the process plant. The relatively flat landscape is ideal for plant construction, while the high grades allow for a relatively modest plant size at 1,800 tons per day or 600,000 tons per year, producing, on average, 63,500 ounces of gold per year, with in excess of 75,000 ounces in year 2. The blasted ore material will be trucked to the run-of-mine pad and onto the comminution circuit. The development incorporates conventional crushing and grinding, leaching, and a carbon-in-pulp CIP plant. The plant's crushing circuit includes jaw crushers, a sag mill, followed by a ball mill. Ore will be ground to approximately 60 microns to allow for maximum recoveries. Water for the comminution and leaching circuit will be sourced from a nearby bore field 3 kilometers away, which has been approved by the government of Mongolia. Following the grinding circuit, the gold-bearing ore is introduced to the leach tanks at 42% solids, where they are agitated into a cyanide-bearing solution for 36 hours, which frees the gold from other constituents. Once the gold is released into the solution, it flows to the carbon-in-pulp, or CIP circuit, and carbon is loaded into the tanks. The carbon acts like a sponge, attracting the gold, following which the relatively coarse gold-bearing carbon particles are separated by screens, hence the process carbon-in-pulp, or CIP. Introduced in the early 1980s, CIP is regarded as a simple but effective process that can be used in uncomplicated ores. The final loaded carbon is then removed and washed before undergoing elution or desorption of gold cyanide at high temperature and pH, followed by electrowinning, where eluate solution circulates through the loaded carbon, extracting the gold. The plant is designed to recover 85% of the water, with the disc filters used to separate water from waste. Treated water is recirculated for use in the plant. The dry tailings will be stored at the integrated waste facility, where treated tails are transferred to cells built of inert waste material from the pit and lined by clay and synthetic membrane liner. To support the mining operation, a maintenance workshop has been included in the facility's design. This has a separate bay for maintenance of light vehicles. The fuel facility also separates access for heavy and light vehicles. The process plant, maintenance warehouse, and the laboratory are located adjacent to the process plant building. The heating plant is located at the southern end of the project. Directly to the east of the process plant are the administrative offices and change facilities. The Bayan Kundi mine will be powered by an off-grid hydropower station, a combination of diesel and solar generation components and battery energy storage. With the hybrid power station, Erdene will be the first mining company in Mongolia to use solar generation as part of the power solution. The mining area, process plant, and administrative facilities are all within 1 kilometer of each other. The permanent accommodation camp will be built approximately 5 kilometers north of the mine and plant complex. The camp will feature traditional Mongolian gurs and modern facilities outfitted for staff comfort. The accommodation camp is designed to house 300 engineering and mining staff. The Bayan Khundii Gold Project is the foundation for the development of the Khundii Gold District, where Erdene Resource Development continues to discover and grow its gold resources.